Hello everyone, this is our computer lecture for standard 2 class 2 and today's our topic is uses of a computer. What a uses of a computer, and this is our second lesson from your computer textbook. And I am your computer teacher. As you know, my name is Shweta. This is our second lecture. So before starting our lecture, I hope you all are fine at your home and take care of yourself and stay home and stay safe. And also I am saying that wash your hand continuously with the soap and the water and cover your mouth and nose with the mask and avoid a close contact with the other. So now start our lecture. So today's learning point, what we learn in the second lesson, that the uses of a computer. What the uses of a computer, this is also a second chapter name, and this is the also point that we learn in the second lesson, that uses of computer, where different places the computer are used and what a different use in computer that we currently using, right? So these 2 points we learn today, uses of computer. First is where places, different places where computer is used, and other is and what is a use of a computer, right? So now before starting our lecture, this is the some previous lecture slide that we remind, that is the what is a computer. The computer is an electronic machine which is made up of different parts like monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse, speaker and printer. In the previous lecture we will study that, right? The computer is an electronic machine and it also made up of different parts like a monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse and speaker and printer. These all are six part are the part of the computer, and without them the computer is not work properly in the good manner. So these are the mainly used part. Then computer is used to write, draw, do sums, listen to music and watch cartoon films and movies, right? That also we learn in the previous lecture. Writing, drawing, doing sums, listen to music, watch cartoon films and movies, right? So the first is what we learn in the next previous lecture, a computer and the definition and the use of the computer and how it's work. It's work very fast, it does not make mistakes, it make our work very easy, it can remember many things, it cannot get tired even if it work for a long time. And the last one, it can do big calculation very fast. So this is the how it's work, the feature of computer we can also say that. And here I am showing the different parts: monitor, mouse, CPU, keyboard, printer and last one is a speaker. These all things we learn in this previous lecture. And also the last remaining point is it cannot think, computer cannot think. So now human beings also we learn in previous lecture, they can work cannot work very fast, they cannot remember many things, they cannot do big calculation very fast, they get tired if they work for a long time, and they can make mistake. These all the features that is the human has, and the computer that is the machine, which are differentiate in the previous lecture, right? The computer does work very fast but humans cannot do. Computer remember many things but human cannot remember many things. A computer do big calculation very fast but human can not. And computer not get tired if it work for a long time, but the human get tired if they work for a long time. And computer does not make mistakes, while humans beings that are make mistakes. And they can think, humans can think, right? We thinking, but computer cannot think. Computer do only that work that we will give to them. For example, I have to write in a computer, so I am writing, so I am giving input to computer, that's why computer is doing, otherwise computer cannot think. And we can do exercise also, right? Put a tick mark against the right sentence and the cross one, and this is our the true or false. And we can done this exercise in the previous lecture. A computer work very fast, true. Computer can think, false. A computer can make mistakes, false. A computer get tired, false. A computer can remember many things, true. So now next one, this one, Computer is a machine. True. A computer cannot make our work easy. False. A computer can do big calculation fast. True. A human beings cannot think. False. And the human beings can make mistakes. It's true. So this exercise we done in the previous lecture. Also we are doing the match the following: the monitor, the mouse, the keyboard, the printer, CPU and speaker. We will matching in the previous lecture, right? So we are remaining these all things in this lesson. Now circle the correct word. The first picture is about CPU. So I am circling the CPU. Second is mouse. So we circle the mouse. Now keyboard and the monitor. So we circle the keyboard and monitor also. The speaker and the last one is the printer. So this all exercise activity and the what is a computer, uses of computer, human beings and computer, how it's work. These are all the part that we learned in the previous lecture. This is our first lesson. Now we will move to the second chapter. Places where computer is used. What? The places where computer is used. See here I am writing that computer is used at home. See this girl is playing the game, watching the movies also. So this is the use of a computer, that the we uses a computer at home also. Yes, we can play a games, listen the music, doing a work also. So the computer is used at a home. Now see the second, where the place a computer is used. A computer is used in a hospital. What I am writing here, a computer is used in a hospital. See this picture I am showing here, the doctor, and this is our computer. In hospitals, doctor is also used a computer to monitoring the patient and their condition. See here in this picture, this doctor is watching in the computer. I think this is a one kind of image of our brain, right? A brain. So the doctor is monitoring the brain of any one patient and their condition, then how it is good or critical. So in a hospital, a computer is also used. Is also used in hospital for taking a record of patient. For example, I went to a hospital, so the doctor are inserting my name and what is the problem, my age also, right? So this record of patient is also stored in a hospital by using the computer. So in the hospital, the computer is widely used to store a record of patients and the monitoring the patient's condition. And one another example I give, that the body X-ray. I think you are not understanding, but I am saying that the X-ray, the body part, that also be printed on a black paper using the computer. So second place where computer is used in hospital. The first place, a computer used at a home. A computer used at a home. And the second, the computer used in a hospital. Where a computer used in a hospital. Now this one place where computer is used, where this is a airport. See this picture I am showing here, this is the airport picture. A computer is used at a airport. See here the boxes and line arranged here. So this is the airport picture of book a ticket. Whenever we go in the airport, we have to book a ticket, right? So this is the place where we book our ticket in airport. So these girls are uses the computer to book a ticket of any customer. For example, these women are taking their ticket. Otherwise they also checking that flight timetable also, which flight is going to another city. Yes, since all the monitoring system in the airport, the computer is used to book a ticket, to cancel the ticket, to know that which flight is going to any other cities, right? So airport, the computer is used. See this the next picture of airport. You can see this picture? Yes, right? This is the airport picture. See this man is monitoring the all computer. You can see here the different computer is here. Yes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, so many display in this room. So what they are doing? The man is watching the flight, right? When the flight take off, then their monitoring is doing by this computer. These men are monitoring the flight and their timetable, their schedule, which flight is take off, which flight is enter in the airport, right? The timetable also monitoring by this airport. So in the airport also the computer is used. So now the next place, you can see this picture. Which picture it is? Which picture? This is a train, right? So where a train? At railway station. So this is picture of railway station. Yes, this is picture of railway station. So I am writing that a computer is used at railway station. What I am writing here? A computer is used at railway station. So the computer is used also in the railway station. For what? For what computer is used? To book a ticket in railway, to cancel the ticket in railway, or to get any information related of train timing and schedules and other cities, right? So this all the information is stored in a computer and there are used at a railway station also, right? Which place we first learn? At a home. Second is we learn at a hospital. And the third one we learn is at a airport. And then now the fourth one, where? The railway station. Where? The railway station. And this is the picture of our railway station. Now see this next picture, ticket. You can see this here, writing the spelling of ticket. So this is the ticket window of railway station. Where? Railway station. So here the so many peoples are moving here and here to book a ticket, to get a timetable or any schedule of train. So here also a computer is used to book a ticket, to cancel the ticket, right? We can use our mobile application for this booking ticket, but in the railway station we use a computer for this purpose, book a ticket, to cancel a ticket, right? So at the same the airport where which is uses the computer, at the same railway station is uses a computer, right? So we learn different places where computer is used. The first is at a home, right? At a home. We uses a computer at a home to entertainment, to work anything, to watch movie anything, to writing anything, right? Now see the uses of a computer. What? The uses of a computer. And the one another place that I am missing here, that is offices, in a school also, right? In offices and a school also. At the same we can use a school in a school in a computer, right? I am your computer teacher and I am using the computer in our school to typing a paper, to doing a format anything, to any letter. Yes, the all thing that we need a computer. So at a school also we need a computer, and at a offices if we are doing a job if any field that their offices need a computer to store a record of their employees, so in the offices also a computer is used. Now see the second point in this lecture. This is the uses of computer, the second point of the second lecture. You can see here, right? We can type letter, document and the number on it. What I am writing here? We can type letter, document and number on it. For example, we use a computer for typing a letter, to do anything in a computer, for example drawing, we entering the number also, right? See here the one cat is using the keyboard. You can see here the so many buttons, that is a keyboard, right? A keyboard, and the key are pressing by the cat. So they are, it means she is typing anything, right? She is typing anything. So we can type letter, document, numbers on it in a computer, right? Now see, we uses our all the finger to write. See here the finger is moving on the keyboard, right? You can see here these fingers are moving on the computer. Yes, and we uses our 10 finger. The all the finger in which both hand have. Total 10 finger we have, and we uses this 10 finger to type in a computer, to type in a letter, numbers, special symbols, or to drawing also. So we use our both hand for typing. You can see this picture, right? So the first use of computer is used to write. We write letters, numbers, document. Yes. So this all things we use a computer to write. Now the next use. You can see this picture. What here doing is, we can draw a one flower, we can color it. Yes, see here I am putting the color. See here. Yes. So in this picture we are coloring and drawing. So it is used for making a drawing and also coloring them. So what a computer is used to making a drawing. We also draw on a computer and also coloring them. For example, we uses a drawing book, right? In the drawing lecture at a school, we draw in the drawing book and also coloring them. As well as the computer is also same used. We can draw in a computer also and we can coloring them. See here I am doing this. You can see I am drawing the flower and now I am put the color also. So the second use is to coloring and drawing in the computer. The first use is to write a letter, numbers or special symbols in the computer, and the second use is to draw and coloring them, right? To draw and coloring them. See now the next one, uses of computer. The third one use here, which is used for performing large calculation. What I am saying here, which is used to performing a large calculation, that is the mathematics. We are doing anything of for example doing a sums, addition, subtractions, multiplication, division, right? So these all the sums are doing by computer also. You can use a calculator also, right? You know that the calculator is used to doing a sums. But in the, for example, we have a big number, large number, and we have to perform in this large number addition. So we used a computer. What? We will use a computer. So the second use is to do a large calculation. Now see the second or next use. We can play a games. What I am writing here? We can play a games. What? We can play a games. See here the one woman are playing a game in this computer. You can see here. Yes, they are playing a game in a computer, right? So the another use of computer is to play a games. I think you are playing a game in a computer or mobile phone, right? Yes, I know you are playing a game in a computer. So you can know that the use of computer is also a play a game, right? Now the next one, playing a game. See here I am one picture also showing. See this boy, they are talking and playing the game on a computer. You can see here. See this boy. They are talking and playing the game, right? So computer is used to play a games, right? To use to play a games. Now the next one, uses of computer. What the use? What I am writing here? We can listen to music. What? We can listen to music. See here the cat. You can see here this cat. Yes, right? What they are doing? Which devices that are putting in ears? Which device? Headphone, right? Headphone, and they are listening a music. So this headphone is plug in a computer. Where? Plug in a computer, and we can also listen the music by using the computer. We uses our phone, right? Right? We uses our phone. So this phone is also used to listen music. So the computer is also listen to music. We can listen the music with the help of the computer. Now the another use. Which use? The another use. See, we can watch cartoon films and movies. What? We can watch cartoon films and movies. See here I am showing the one picture. See this deer, what they are doing at home in this laptop. They having a laptop, right? So it is also one kind of computer. And what are they doing? They are watching a cartoon films or movies, and they are eating some snacks, drinking some, and also chilling. See this also eating the hot tea. Yes, day, night they are watching a cartoon films and movies. So the another use of a computer is what? To watch cartoon films and movies. Watch to cartoon films and movies. So we learn in this lesson different uses of computer and different places of computer, right? So we are moving revise this all thing in this lecture. So we starting from this the first point, places where computer is used. From here, the first is, see here the computer is used at a home. Computer is used at a home. Now the second, a computer is used in a hospital. What? A computer is used in a hospital. See this picture, doctor is using the computer to monitoring the patient condition, right? So computer is used at a home, computer is used at a hospital, and the another one is the computer is used at offices also, right? The computer is used at offices also, and at a school also. Yes, we can use a computer in a school also. Students is also using the computer in a school, and teacher is also using the computer in a school. For example, now we are learning online study, right? Doing online study. So the all teacher are using the computer to record your lecture and to give it you and to learn you. So the computer is a technology that is used in many places, and the one of the most useful places at a school, right? The student is also learn the computer at a school also. Now the next one is a computer is used at airport. What? A computer is used at airport. See this picture of airport, and there where uses a computer for book a ticket or to cancel a ticket or to get any information related to flight, right? So the airport is the one another place where computer is used, right? So the home, offices, hospital, and the airport where a computer is used. Now the next one is railway stations. Which railway stations? In the railway station also we uses a computer to book a ticket, right? To cancel the ticket or to get any information related to train and schedule, right? So the railway station also uses a computer. Now for typing, uses of computer. Why we use a computer? We can write or we can type a letter, document, numbers on it. In a computer we can write, we can enter the numbers also, we can draw anything also, and we can write any special symbols also, right? See this hand, the fingers are moving on the keyboard, so we are writing in a computer, right? We are writing in a computer, and for writing we use a keyboard. In the previous lecture that we learned that the keyboard is used to write, and see here this picture, the black keys that are the keyboard, and the finger are pressing this button for typing letters or numbers or a special symbols. Another use is for drawing and the coloring the picture, right? For drawing and the coloring picture. See in this picture we are drawing the flower and coloring it, right? So the another use of the computer is to drawing and the coloring picture. The first use of a computer is to write anything, numbers, letters or symbols, and the second use is to draw. Now third one used to which is used to performing a large calculation. What? A computer is used to do sums. To do a sums. So computer is also used to do a sums. And another use is to play a games. To play a games. A computer is also used to play a game. See in this picture, the women are playing the game, right? So this is the uses of computer: to write, to draw, to do sums, to play a games. Next, in this picture I am showing that the one boy is playing a game, right? And they are talking something. So this is the uses of computer. Now the next one, we can listen to music. See the cat enjoying the listening the music, right? They are listening the music by that headphone, and this headphone is plugged in the computer, and we can use a computer to listen the music. So the another use of computer is to listening the music, right? To listening the music. So the writing, drawing, doing sums, play games and listen to music, these all are the uses of a computer. Now the last one, the use of the computer in this lesson, the last one. We can watch cartoon films and movies, right? What? We can watch cartoon films and movies. See this picture, the bear are enjoying the movies and doing some naughty things in the home. Day and night they are watching continuously, writing, eating and drinking. Yes, so these all are the different places and different uses of a computer, and this is our the second chapter, right? So you can understand very clearly where the places at a computer is used and where the uses of computer, different use which is used in a computer, right? So in this lecture, in the second lecture, we learn about the computer, definition of computer, and doing also exercise in the previous lecture that we revise in this lecture, and how the computer is work, the human beings and different between the computer and human beings also we can learn in the previous lecture that I am showing in the second lecture also. And also we are doing the exercise also, right? In second lecture we uses the places. Which places? Home, offices, school, hospital, airport, railway station. This we learn in this lesson the different places where computer is used, and the different use to write, to draw, to do sums, to play games, to listen to music and to watch cartoon films and movies. These all are the different uses of a computer, right? So Now our lecture is over here. This is the second lecture, and this is a second chapter of your computer textbook. So goodbye everyone. Take care of yourself and learn and be punctual in your time and do your homework. And also given the test